Alright guys, welcome to this page of the notes, and again what we're going to do here is we're taking a look at that second objective or learning target where we're going to perform operations on polynomials, adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. We're going to start off with addition and subtraction, and it is really simple, straightforward. You guys shouldn't have any trouble with this at all. Here's the way it works. You're going to go ahead and add or subtract by removing parentheses and combining like terms. The only thing I will say about this is just simply this. The most common mistake that students make when it comes to adding and subtracting polynomials is actually subtracting polynomials. You forget to distribute the minus sign. Right? When subtracting a polynomial, you'll need to distribute the minus sign through the parentheses. Then you can combine like terms. And in case you've forgotten what like terms are, I just simply remind you right here. Like terms are going to be terms that have the same variables, must be the exact same variables, and those variables must be raised to the same power. The constants, the coefficients in front do not matter. Doesn't matter. Variables, powers that the variables are raised to. That's all we care about. So here we go. Let's jump right into these. I got a few example problems for you. We're going to fly through them because, like I said, it's really pretty straightforward, combining like terms. Here we go. We're starting off with subtraction. Don't forget to distribute that subtraction sign. So we're going to draw my little arrows so I don't forget. 4x squared minus 5x plus 6 minus 2x squared minus 3x, negative times a negative, plus 1. As I combine like terms, I'll cross them off so that I don't make the mistake of using a term more than once. I'll just cross it off once I've used it so that I know that it has been done. And always start with the largest exponents. You want your polynomials written in descending order of power. That simply means the largest power first, and then you work your way down. So my biggest power is squared, so I start there. 4x squared minus a 2x squared, leaves me with 2x squared. Cross them off because I used them. Then I have x to the first power. Negative 5x, negative 3x should be negative 8x. Cross them off after you use them so you don't use them twice. And a positive 6 and a positive 1 gives me a plus 7. Okay, I have successfully subtracted those polynomials. Just real quick, go ahead and give me the degree of the polynomial just to get some practice. This is second degree, first degree, 0 degree, and so my polynomial is a second degree polynomial. Actually, turns out that's quadratic. Actually, quadratics will show up again here in this chapter as well. We'll practice all that factoring stuff that you guys did back in chapter 4 for quadratics, as well as learn a few additional techniques when it comes to polynomials. So, quadratics, absolutely, please don't think that just because chapter 4 is over, you'll never have to factor again. Not the case. Lots of factoring in this chapter as well. Here we go. Let's try another one. All right, this one's easy. It's addition, so all you got to do is just combine like terms. Let's see here. I have 5x squared and a 6x squared, so that'll be 11x squared. I have an xy and a 2xy, which is going to be plus 3xy. Again, cross these off as I use them so that I don't use them twice. 4z, negative 6z. That's going to be a minus 2z. Minus 2z. And we're going to go ahead and find the degree of this. X squared, so that's going to be second degree, 1 and 1. Add the exponent, so that as well is second degree. That's to the first degree. Since these two are the same, second degree monomial, of course, it's 2. So we have a second degree polynomial. Second degree polynomial. Head on over to the next page here. I got a few more of these for you. We're on a roll. We're just going to keep kicking it. Don't forget to distribute the minus sign. That is a very common mistake that is made. You forget to distribute the minus sign. So I now have a 3x squared plus 2x plus 5y minus 2x cubed plus 4x minus 6y. All right, let's combine like terms here. I will have a 3x squared and a minus 2x squared. So I'll just have an x squared left over. 2x and a 4x. How about 6x? cross those off. I use them. The y's, I'm going to be left with a negative y. That's all that's left after I add 5 and take away 6. Excuse me. Okay, so this is my polynomial. Find the degree. That is a second degree term, first degree term, first degree term, so second degree polynomial. Okay, got another one for you here. Oh, and we're adding again. All right, that makes it easy. Let's see here, 6x squared, negative 4x squared, so 6 minus 4 would be 2x squared. Man, lots of quadratics. Negative 7x plus 9x, it leaves me with plus 2, plus 2x. Cross those guys off. Positive 8 and a negative 5, so that leaves me with a plus 3. All right, so there is my polynomial. Cross them off because I used them. And second degree. Okay. I think I got just a couple more here on this next page. We'll go ahead and knock these out real quick, and then we'll move on to multiplying polynomials. So, 2 more. Let's subtract these polynomials. We will distribute the minus sign. And combine like terms. Negative x squared means minus 2x squared. Negative 3x minus 2x, and negative 3 plus a negative 2 would be a minus 5x, so those are taken care of it. Positive 4 and a negative 5 minus 1. I get another look at that. These quadratics are popping up all over the place. So this is a second degree polynomial. And I think I got one more here for you. Yes, I do. It is addition. So here we go. I have a 3x squared. Look at that. I don't have any other x squared terms, so that's it. It's going to be a 3x squared. I have an x, but I don't have any other x's, so it's just going to be a minus x. The only thing I can combine is a negative 6 and a positive 1, which leaves me with a minus 5. And once again, I get another quadratic. Those quadratics. So this is second degree. And again, hopefully that makes lots of sense here when it comes to adding and subtracting polynomials. Just simply distribute the minus sign if you're doing subtraction. Once you distribute the minus sign, get rid of the parentheses, combine like terms, and you should be all good. Keep in mind, I may ask you when you get done to simply find the degree of that polynomial. That's really easy to do. So head on over to the next page of the notes. We'll work on multiplying polynomials. I'll meet you there.